Hello folks, this is your cameraman Daniel again for the 7th video. It's still February 14, 2023, Valentine's Day, and it's about like 1:05 in the afternoon. It's warming up right now. And they've been here for about 4 hours. I didn't know they were here at the time. But when I was just checking it out, it just made me to do the videotaping. Yep. They're still here. Crazy drivers around here. And I forgot to tell you, the story happened in New York. In Brooklyn, there was like this guy driving a U-Haul truck and was driving on the sidewalk and was he was being like a reckless driver, and then the cops caught him in the act. Yep. At least nobody just didn't get hurt. Maybe the guy was stealing stolen goods or something. Thank God we don't have that here in Pennsylvania, but in New York they do. Yeah. I know this is a pain in the butt for this. So I hope you enjoyed this 7 update video just for February the 14th. I'll see you again later if I give you more updates. You just take care and enjoy the previous videos. Bye.